We at Bossart do everything we can to make your production more transparent, productive and reliable. That is why we have created Smart Factory Assembly. Visual step-by-step instructions lead through the complete assembly process. The tools for the next work step are controlled automatically. Since the workstations can be quickly converted to other product variants, the production area is optimally used. The digital assembly instructions can be adapted quickly and easily and managed centrally. It is also possible to generate work instructions automatically via an ERP interface. The optimal support of the assembly workers minimizes the number of errors in production. Processes and sequences are stored directly in the system and can be implemented and optimized uniformly. The know-how and best practices are now institutionalized and remain with the company. The user-friendly work instructions speed up the assembly process and promote the flexible deployment of workers at different stations. The work planner can create and approve assembly instructions. The standardization of the processes and the fast conversion of the workstations additionally accelerate the work preparations. The continuous improvement process, documentation and quality control now go hand in hand. Thanks to the transparency gained in production, correlations in the factory can be identified at a glance and desired measures implemented. If you want to benefit from the advantages of Smart Factory Assembly, please contact us.